Hello, welcome to our next part of our demonstration, which is using the desktop app on my PC at home here. I'm going to answer the call as the switchboard operator, and I'm going to transfer that call to the finance department, which is over here, and he's going to answer the call on his mobile app. Okay, so the call comes in. Here it is. I can answer the call and speak to the person. They request to be put through to the finance department. And to transfer a call, I simply press the transfer call button, which you can see here. And then I can type either the number or the extension, or if I don't know that, I can look them up in my directory. So I'm just going to type finance, and here's finance. I'm going to transfer that call now. I also have an option to call them first and do an attended transfer, or I can just transfer immediately. The call has now been successfully transferred to the finance department. Thank you.